The moment you put on Kanen earphones, the whole world is in your ears. Established in 2007, Dongguan Kanen Electronics Company Limited is located in Dongcheong District, Dongguan. After 16 years continuous development, it has become a comprehensive manufacturer of professional Bluetooth wireless earphones and earplugs that integrates research and development, design, manufacturing, and sales. With the concept of serving global customers, Kanen has been guiding product development with its obsession as a musician, while strictly controlling product quality and striving for excellence. Kanen has successively passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System, CE, Walmart, Disney, Fama, and other certifications, providing OEM service for many well-known brands at home and abroad. Kanen has won praise from customers with its innovative, cutting-edge technology, personalized creative design, and purely infectious sound effect. Serving markets throughout Asia, Europe, Africa, and America. Quality is our eternal pursuit. With a complete management system and a strict quality control system, Kanen ensures that each product complies with strict standards from design, R&D, processing, production, and sales. Currently, Kanen has a factory area of 10,000 square meters, more than 350 employees, and a research and development team composed of experienced engineers and experts. Kanen has established large-scale production workshops, introduced advanced automated production equipment, and a series of testing and inspection equipment. With advanced one-stop production hardware facilities, Kanen produces over 5 million headphones annually. Kanen adheres to the concept of sustainable development. In 2021, we joined the Responsible Business Alliance, RBA, to actively fulfill our social responsibilities. We are striving to design and produce our products in the right way, using recyclable alternative materials as much as possible to reduce disposable plastic packaging, and fully integrating ergonomics into our products to continuously improve productivity and comfort. We will never stop the pace of innovation, strive for excellence, fight to the end, and rejoice and cheer for every breakthrough. In the future, Kanen will continue to bring consumers more ultimate audio quality experiences.